Hello everyone, this is Samir, and here work is going up of HBSC. Really, it's the largest project, and I'm working here. Related to its work is going and many work is completed, and I'm going to show you this project. Okay, so this location is wonderful, and its side is going, and this is B1. Okay, it's a very largest where will be ducting will be hanging. This is just we're going to sitting some seat. There's a hydraulic and industrial sitting there, and this is our working is going in here that place. And there's a 5-meter ladder is installing there, and the duct is installed. One person is sitting on the duct. My working is going on that place where we install the HU. Okay, and these are 4 line of ducts. First one is supply, return, supply, and ending is return. Okay, where duct is keeping there, and there's a marking is going by me for else to install. Just to be marking here, so what some other person is going to install there. It's very largest project. Here is marking is done for HU install, and this is our duct. The mouthpiece will be from this place. Mouthpiece will be connected to here. The HU will be installed, and this is elbow pieces. Where one duct is. टाटा का नया प्रोजेक्ट बन रहा है, ठीक है। देखिए ज़रा ये बिल्डिंग है, और बहुत ही खूबसूरत इधर का नज़ारा है। अभी बटला नादरगुल का ये ग्राउंड है, यहाँ पे भैंस घूमती है, ठीक है। अभी हम लोग साइट पे है और अपना डक्टिंग का काम चल रहा है। ये जो है HU के लिए ये पेडेस्ट्रियल का मार्किंग किया गया हुआ है। 1-2 दिन हो रहा है इस रूप को बने हुए। वहाँ पे ऑडियो शिफ्ट हो गया है।